So yeah, picked up this Sega Mega Drive 2, and apparently it's got no AV, nothing comes up on the screen. Haven't got the power supply or anything like that yet, so just gonna have to order that. But I thought I would do a teardown, just to show you. I already took it apart earlier, and it's pretty simple to do really. Most people probably figure it out, but I thought I'd do it anyway. So there's 4 screws on the bottom. I got these 2 here, but that's just because it's been modified, so I'm just going to take them out. Try to keep everything separated, screws. Might reflow some of the solder, especially out on that AV port, whatever it's called. And then it just comes apart pretty easy. And then to get the heatsink off, it's the screws around the edge here. So we got my other screws, those 4 somewhere else. Take these out. Should have charged up my drill, make it a bit quicker, but and then this pulls up, and then to take this board out, there's 1 screw on this slot. There should be 2 actually, but just 1 on this one, and take that out. And it should just pull out. There we go.